Ay, galing na. Hello, yo.
Burina yung...
For legal advisor for the foundation.
For the foundation.
Then during the program, I'm going to introduce the why this gathering, why CYDF. There must be a reason for this, okay?
I'm happy that Tony and Rita, these are real community organizers, and that they are helping with the responsibility for our young people. Because if they can study, they can climb. You can give them a future, and you can dream about that. And they have organized the Kalantas Young Dreamers Foundation. It will not stop with dreaming. It becomes a reality.
Oh, you are. Okay. Officially open. Ito pong medikuare, medyo kung magkaya po ulit at irrigation, tigiri na nung alamba may punta ko ka rin, dinenang kaya namang swimming pool. So yung swimming pool, mo ka rin karimon man. Mangutang kayo, ba't tigiri at swimming pool? Then, simple. Kasi yung message is, this foundation is really meant to empower everybody's young mind, especially, to do their best. Ibig sabihin, yung anak, ilang pupuntirya na, para may diyan na ng sika na loob at sumawak yung foundation. Yung foundation, nabibitang sika na lugarela. I-empower nila, susopa na lang mong sika na loob. Bakit? Yung anak ka rin, uling kiyang eskwela, ilang mag-identify nung ninurening apulungan na ka rin, nung identify nung yung foundation sabihan na, anak, sige, ating kang kaya, gawan mo yan. In this school year, pagdating ng college, we can raise fund for this person. Pagdating ng college, may interrupt yung kayang pamag-aral. Okay. This reads, this certificate is presented to Kalantas Elementary School as the recipient of the CYDF Scholarship Program beginning school year 2002-2003.
As our thanks for the foundation for giving us this award for our children, who will in turn will be the benefactors of this program.
Live po. Panin sila ko palagi.
What? Masarap. Pili kanta na nga.
Leo, inahin.
Kaya tandaan ko lang Tony, Rito, Santo, Rochelle, Carmelita, Ryan, Amado, Ernesto, Roelio, Emilio, Roland, Angeline, Mirna, Romeo Junior, Romeo Senior, Selem David, wala nang menikta.
Lalo rin dyan, kasi kahit wala rin dyan.
Makasulak ko ang lagyo.
Okay. Sige, Lil Kwong. Lil Kwong,